So making your own travel set is really easy. You take the little pans. Now we're going to use watercolours. You've got to use watercolours. You can't use acrylics for this sort of thing because we want to be able to re-wet them. So using the little pans that you can buy separately, and then you can put into the tins. Now I've got to tell you that I've had this tin, I don't know where I got it because I got it over 30 years ago. I carry it with me literally everywhere. And in fact, before we started making watercolours, I used to make my own paints to go in here. I then was determined to find the most effective tin that we could. So this is why we offer this one. We offer 2 different size pans. So really simple. You take your favourite colours in the watercolours, you fill up the pans. You might want to use a little toothpick, but to fill the whole thing up. You may come back a second time once it's sunk down a bit and dried and flattened out. You can fill it up again, whatever takes your fancy. But you've then got your colours in there. Now, of course, the next step after that, you need a brush. We've got these travel brushes, which are really user-friendly because they've got quite nice balance to them. We've got 2 of them, quite fine detail. You can actually get with this imitation sable, you can get quite a good point on both the brushes, but this will give you, even on a full-size piece of paper, this will give you a good sort of bold stroke as well. And of course, when it comes time to pack up and travel, you just put them back in there and off you go. The bristles are nice and secure, safe. They're not going to get bent and splayed out and that sort of thing. And they'll fit just about anywhere.